Isabel Allende said, "Write what should not be forgotten." Do you have a travel, expat, or immigrant experience you need to write and share? I'm Cindy McCain. You may know me from my blog, Southern Girl Gone Global, or podcast, Travel People. I'm a university writing and literature instructor, and since 2018, I've been teaching travel writing workshops and leading retreats. I started this online class because the in-person writing retreats and workshops have been so successful. I've had 100% positive feedback, whether participants chose to go with me on a 7-day retreat and did the work, or whether they chose to do it over 4 weekly sessions. Weekends can work really well for that. It's going to be up to you, though, because I have now put it online to make it more accessible. Therefore, you can do it at your own pace, at your own price. If you choose to go somewhere, you can work from home. You can do this as a retreat close to your home, or you can go abroad. In the first module, there is a link that will take you to some ideas about how to do your own retreat that will work best for you. I've even got some ideas based on your Enneagram number and some other factors that you'll want to consider. But in the first module, the important thing is that you look at the options you have and you just make it happen. You schedule the time sooner than later, because we have 2 very tangible, doable goals that we want to do by the end of this course. By the time you finish the course, and again, students who have done this as a 7-day writing retreat or in 4 different weekly sessions, and of course done some writing in between, they have been able to accomplish this. You're going to unpack a travel tale that you need to revisit. You're going to think about a time and a place that changed you in some way. Maybe it challenged you or transformed you, or maybe you're not quite sure, but you know you need to unpack that. Using the skills that I teach, using the models we're going to look at, you will craft that into a travel narrative, one that is poignant, one that is compelling, engaging, whether you choose to write it as a personal travel essay, or if you want to write it as a memoir chapter, or if you want to write it as a longer blog post. They all work great for travel experiences. So that is our main goal. And if you do the work, I promise you will accomplish it. Our other goal is to sustain creativity after we get home. And I'll be giving you some practices that you want to begin now and carry them through the year. Take a look, think about what your options are as to how and where and when you want to do your retreat, but the sooner the better. I love the line at the end of When Harry Met Sally, when he decides, when you figure out that you're in love with somebody and you want to spend the rest of your life with them, you want that to start as soon as possible. Well, my goal for you is that you're going to fall in love with, whether it's the first time or you need to fall in love again, with writing and with your life.